Well, even though we're nearing the end of summer, Bay Cliff Health Camp is still full of campers. This week is Camp Independence, helping adult campers with disabilities get the opportunity to connect with friends through recreational and social activities. Fox UP's Kelsey Nemostow has more.
Bay Cliff Health Camp is alive with campers this week as they all partake in Camp Independence. Camp Independence is a one-week program offered to adult campers with disabilities.
What we really have here are 50 campers that come from across the Upper Peninsula and down in the Lower Peninsula and even into Wisconsin. They come to celebrate life.
The campers are able to meet with old friends and make new ones while enjoying numerous activities.
I love it here. It's the best place on earth, and I would someday I hope to get married here and bring my kids back here because it's awesome here.
They're also able to learn how to become more physically independent while having fun through the activities. Arts and crafts, canoeing, music, soap making, and photography are just a few of the activities offered to campers. Another perk of Camp Independence is all of the campers get to come here to the dental office and get dental work done for free.
It's developed into a really nice program because now we have dental students who are coming. There's 5 dental students with us this year, and they're all junior and senior students from the University of Detroit Mercy, and they volunteer their time to come up here and help the campers out.
Dental students, along with Dr. Newman, come to Bay Cliff to give campers a full dental checkup and any dental work they may need done.
I would like to put a word of thanks out there to everybody across the Upper Peninsula and beyond who's helped Bay Cliff to grow into the program it is.
Kelsey Nemostow, Fox UP News, Big Bay.